this week in Tips and Tricks, we want to talk about decals and some issues that they can bring. As a matter of fact, I want to talk about 4 issues that I try to solve that you can maybe fall over it, and I try to explain how I deal with those. First is silvering. Silvering is called, you put your decal on and then you see around where the see-through part of the decal is, you see this silver line, this silver frame about it. Well, the solution to that is you might have a matte coat or a matte color underneath, and then you paint something over it, and then you see where this silver thing is the different color. That's why you have this shine through. Well, we can get rid of that by doing first a clear coat on your model. Second thing is you have your decals and you put them on and everything looks completely fine, super, and then you just want to move it a little bit more to the right or a little bit more to the left, and then it's stuck and you have a crack in it. You can get rid of that thing by using simply dishwash soap. You just need really just a little bit. You put that on that place where you want to put your decal on it, and then you put your decals on that spot that you want it. This happened to be a little bit too big though. So, and now you have like a thin film of dishwasher soap and dishwash soap on it. Now you can slide it without having stick in it. And as soon you are getting rid of all those the fluid under it and let it dry, it just sets up perfectly fine. The third thing is, well, it not just lays down as snug as you want it, especially if you have like here, like little body lines or something. Well, first of all, to get rid of that, I always have my decals in warm water. That softens them a little bit already. Well, if that don't work, like here you see these little wrinkles, then you can use what they call decal softener. This happened to be from Revell, but you know, they have plenty out of there. You just use whatever you feel to. You just have to be careful. Some of them are a little bit hot and they might work a little bit too good. Speaking of, they kind of melt your decals. But this one is really soft. You might even have to apply it a few times, and then you get rid of wrinkles and it just lays on really snug. And the fourth issue that I wanna talk about is after everything dried, you have it on and you kind of think, well, it looks cool, but then you look it against the light and you see, well, actually there's a little line that you see, and it looks more like a sticker than, like in this case, painted flames. Well, this is easy to fix as well. What you do now, after you let it dry overnight, you do nothing else than put just layers of clear coat over it until that is all like one even surface, and it just looks like you had those, in this case, those flames painted on. Well, I hope those 4 things could help you out a little bit. But this was the tip of this week.